Alright, so the car is the 1988 through 1991 Honda Civic Wagon, but four-door CRX, hatchback should all be basically the same on the front clip. What we're going to do today is strip down the front clip, starting with the front bumper, and tear it all down into the engine bay. Check out kind of the tools we'll need. Pretty basic to take the whole thing apart. The power tools aren't really necessary, but I got a 10, 12, 14, 17 wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, needle nose, channel locks, and a pair of dikes, wire cutters, a couple different socket wrenches, some extensions, and again, same sizes on the socket, 10, 12, 14, 17. Could take apart the whole car with that. A couple other tools come in handy here and there, but if you're going in order, that's really all you need. I'm starting to the bumper, moving forward and taking everything out on my way. And it all should be accessible from right here. The inside screw holds the light together and the outside screw holds the light to the body. So this, I only needed to do the outside screw, and I could leave the inside one on, it'll still pop out. I'm going to free the socket from the wiring harness and leave the socket attached to the light so I can clean it later. This car wasn't running, so I didn't have a chance to go to the car wash. We got a couple road bugs on there, but